Menteri Ketenat Boarding UET Mondal kasing thoding ulayat tu baya ke Jingra Shalor ya ke Jingkieng Umïam ensara Shwa ka khatsan Tarik Lber na ke benta ban pendep ya ki Maramot ulaong ba Ketenat Boarding kan saya tu ya kene halo ke kenhun Menteri Sarkar sepang kene ke kam ulayat tu ru bah ke te gasngi ke don ke jing penbej ke rukom penyat kali ke bala ban pha sange ya ki kali ban yat kumbasau lane prakenta ulaong balawat da ki wepat kelenti ban pentikna ba ke Jingkieng kali kan kata palat yakinong late longwan.
This will be happening in the month of March. As for lowering of the bridge, I can't say the exact date now. It will depend after completion of the work. We will lower the bridge. Before that, we will be sitting with our technical committee, and also we'll be sitting with the coordination committee. And we'll apprise the state cabinet also that we are taking up this work, though cabinet knows, but the entire program will be apprising the cabinet also.
And tentatively, when do
in the month of March.
Like first week, second week?
Yeah, I'm thinking that within 15th we'll be able to do it.
15 of March.
March.
And in that situation, what kind of traffic will be regulated through the bridge?
See, traffic, as I told you earlier also, usually what will happen on the day of lifting the bridge, around 4 to 8 hours, the entire bridge will be closed down. There will be no thoroughfare as far the vehicular traffic is concerned through the bridge. After it is lifted and kept in a particular height, then we'll put ramp on both sides of the bridge and allow the passage of light vehicles, and so also ambulance and all these things through the bridge. We'll be not allowing any heavy vehicles. There will be complete closure of the heavy vehicles.
Closure of heavy
Till we lower the bridge and all retrofitting work is completed.
What is the percentage of work now?
It is going on because percentage wise, see, we are now doing only 50% of the dam. So after completing the 50% of the dam, we will again open this site, and then we will be doing the same work on the other side, which is now open to traffic.
So what are the alternative routes that they...
See, we explored, we sat with PWD also, and PWD department under the leadership of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister is exploring all ways and means to see that an alternative route comes. Accordingly, proposal was there through the upstream of this dam, that one bridge can come through the upstream of the dam. But then Geological Survey of India, when their opinion has been sought, they told that no, you should not go for any construction because this will there will be lots of probability of damage in the dam structure. Even downstream also same thing. Now I think PWD has found an alternative route, and through which new bridges or road will be constructed.
Where is this?
Exactly, I don't know how it is coming and which way it is coming, but mostly they are working on it to find an alternative route, and also if bridge is required, an alternative bridge, so that trafficular or vehicular movement through the bridge and dam is completely stopped. That's why I am telling that in our coordination meeting, we'll be taking up all these issues. In that meeting, transport will be there, PWD will be there, then both the DCs of Riboy and Ishkashi Hills will be there. The superintendent of police of both the districts will be there. We'll call even IPR also to disseminate this information to our esteemed commuters.